Can you guys tell me which season is this? Summer or monsoon? कभी तपती हुई गर्मी तो कभी बरसात. No guys, it's not a joke. Climate change is a serious issue which we all are facing. Nature provides a beautiful environment, and what are we doing in return? Destroying it. Earth provides enough to meet every man's need, but not enough to meet every man's greed. Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. With this video, we'll be starting with a new series where we talk about different categories under Forbes 30 under 30. So the people who wish to be here know the details, know about the people who have already made it to the list, and the most important, to understand if you want to make it here, you can do it only if you enjoy what you do and follow your passion. In this video, I'll be talking about different startups in the field of climate change and clean energy, tell you the stories of their owners and what you can do in this industry if you are interested. To tell you a bit about myself, I'm Sakshi Garje. I'm a 19-year-old pursuing graphic design and here to do my things for betterment. Climate change refers to long-term change in the Earth's climate or a change in climate in a particular region or a city, which includes warming, cooling, or even changes in the temperature. For example, 20,000 years ago, United States was covered in glaciers, but today it is warmer and fewer glaciers. So, coming back, Nishita Bailar Singh and Nikita Bailar Singh both are 23-year-old CEOs and co-founders of Nexus Power, a Bhubaneswar-based company. Nishita and Nikita both are twin sisters. They made their way by creating rechargeable, biodegradable, bioorganic batteries from crop residues. By starting their own startup and creating their long way to healthy electric vehicle future over a lithium-ion batteries that can be charged within 50 minutes. Interesting, right? They started their journey from a concept to make a world a better place to live. Nishita and Nikita both completed their bachelor's in business management from Xavier School of Commerce, Bhubaneswar. Nishita pursued CA and Nikita then pursued a master's in media and mass communication. At such a young age, this duo has been featured in many media stories. They have been actively involved in guiding young aspiring entrepreneurs and have been invited as speakers in many events. A late night rooftop conversation and an old biochemistry book from their grandfather's library gave birth to Nexus Power in April 2019. Power batteries are also biodegradable batteries which are made from crop residues, which is usually burnt and creates a lot of air pollution. The company procures crop remains and manufactures rechargeable batteries. Procurement of crop waste helped the farmers to earn an additional income of ₹25,000 after every 100 batteries. Climate change is a very big issue nowadays. We have to work on clean energy solutions that will lower consumer bills, create jobs, and build our economy. So now let me tell you about the top 5 career options in this industry. The first one is clean car engineer. More fuel alternative vehicles are hitting the street. In the same way, there are increasing number of opportunities in sustainable transportation. There's an increasing demand of the cars which will save the money and also decrease the pollution level. The second one is sustainable builder. Building more sustainable and environment-friendly houses and buildings require an expertise in the field of design and construction, which will save energy consumption. Like having more windows will eliminate the number of lights. The next one is wind turbine technicians and solar panel installers. Keeping the equipment safe, maintaining and looking that everything runs smoothly is their job. Their work involves maintaining, testing, monitoring and repairing mechanical and electrical equipments and monitoring the daily performance. The last one is bioenergy farmers. Corn ethanol has already a strong presence in the mainstream of fuel supply. Farmers are growing crops for automobile and clothes dryers. Bioenergy is a quickly expanding sector of the renewable energy market. Clean energy is about providing an opportunity to the people to do what is right for themselves and the people they love. It's about reducing pollution, which is making people sick. It's about helping low income families to pay their gas bills and electricity bills. The renewable energy sector has experienced an unexpected growth in last 15 years. The reasons for which are sustainably meeting rising energy demand, addressing climate change, promoting economic growth, and industrial policy issues. So, if you guys have got value through this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much.